Good morning, students. Today we will study in GK puppetry in India. Puppetry in India means Katputli, or we can say that मूर्ति कला. भारत में कठपुतली का इतिहास. India has a rich and ancient tradition of puppets. They were used as a form of education and entertainment. They were used as a form of education and entertainment. Which one? That is puppets, means Katputli. The epics and legends form the main themes of the puppet theatre. Puppets from various parts of our country have their own individuality and identity. They portray the regional styles of painting and sculpturing. So, let us study about puppetry in India. String puppets. First given here, string puppets. String puppets or marionettes have joined limbs and managed easily by strings. Strings means thread, धागा, है ना. स्ट्रिंग पपेट्स मीन्स ऐसा मूर्ति कला और कठपुतली जो रस्सी के सहारे जो है ऐसा उसको बनाया जाए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, स्ट्रिंग पपेट्स और मैरियोनेट्स हैव ज्वाइंट लिम्स एंड मैनेज्ड इजीली बाय स्ट्रिंग्स, रस्सी से, है ना. दिस टाइप्स ऑफ पपेट्स इज कॉमन इन राजस्थान, ओडिशा, कर्नाटका एंड तमिलनाडु. एवरी पपेट हैज इट्स ओन कॉस्ट्यूम एंड फेशियल फीचर्स. स्ट्रिंग पपेट्स is common in Rajasthan, Odisha, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Rajasthan Kathputli, that is Rajasthan's string puppet is called Kathputli. The string puppets of Rajasthan are popularly called Kathputli as they are made from a single piece of wood. Kathputli is made from a single piece of wood. These puppets are like colorfully dressed dolls with oval faces. Just showing here in the picture Kathputlis you also watch on television. So colorful dressed doll with oval faces, large eyes, arched eyebrows and big lips. They have no legs. Their long trailing skirt and headgears depict traditional Rajasthani style of dressing of Kathputli. Puppeteers manage them easily by 2 to 5 strings tied to their fingers without any support. So, you know about Kathputli, है ना. This is Rajasthan's puppets, Kathputli. And now given here Odisha's puppets. So Odisha puppet, that is Kandhai. Kandhai are the string puppets of Odisha. It is very important, students, all state name and their string puppets name. So Rajasthan's string puppets name, that is Kathputli, and Odisha's string puppet, that is Kandhai, are the string puppets of Odisha. You underline this line. Kandhai are the string puppets of Odisha. They are made of light wood and wear long flowing skirts. The costumes of Kandhai resembles that of the traditional actors of Jatra theatre. It is inspired by the music of Odissi dance. Puppeteers quite easily manipulate them through strings held with a triangular wooden support. And now next given here, Karnataka. Karnataka's string puppet is Kombietta. What is its string puppets? Kombietta. Kombietta are the string puppets of Karnataka. They enact the episodes of the Yakshigan plays. They look similar to the character of the Yakshigan. The complicated movement of the puppets are managed by 2 to 3 puppeteers at a time. A fusion of folk and classical music accompanies it. So this is Kombietta, and Kombietta is a Karnataka's string puppet. Next given here, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu's string puppet's name is that is Bomalattam, and Bomalattam are both rod and string puppets, both, है ना, rod and string puppets of Tamil Nadu, which are made of wood. These puppets are the largest, heaviest and the most articulate of all traditional Indian marionettes. Marionettes means Kathputli. They can rise to a height of 4.5 feet and weight about 10 kg. The strings of the puppet are tied to the puppeteer's ring-like crown on his head and manipulated by rods, just showing here in the picture of here page number 6, Bomalattam. Okay, जो रोप है, रस्सी है उसके सहारे, और जो इसमें क्या लगा हुआ है, रॉड और स्ट्रिंग के सहारे जो है, ऐसा पिक्चर जो है इसमें ड्रामा को दिखाया गया है. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ नेक्स्ट गिवन हियर शैडो पपेट्स. वन थिंग I'm telling to you, underline this all one liner. It is one liner question answer, like tell the name of Rajasthan's puppets puppetry, or that Rajasthan's string puppets. Then you have to write Kathputli. Tell the name or write the name of puppets. Write the name of puppets of Odisha. Then you have to write Kandhei. And puppets of Karnataka, that is Kombietta, and puppets of Tamil Nadu, that is Bomalattam. And now second is shadow puppets. It is we studied about that string puppets before some time, and now we will study about shadow puppets. So shadow puppets are flat shining figures cut out of non-violent leather. Non-violent leather. Non-violent leather means गैर हिंसक चमड़े. So shadow puppets are flat shining figures cut out of non-violent leather. They are put against the screen and a bright light is focused from behind. पीछे से जो है लाइट का फोकस किया जाता है, देन वो क्या होता है, उसमें शाइनिंग होता है ना, जो शैडो पपेट्स बने हुए होते हैं उसमें. द शैडो अपीयर्स कलरफुल टू द व्यूअर्स सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट ऑफ द स्क्रीन. द ट्रेडिशन ऑफ शैडो पपेट्स स्टिल एग्जिस्ट इन ओडिशा, केरला, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र एंड तमिलनाडु. Karnataka's shadow puppet's name is Toglu Kombietta. The shadow theatre of Karnataka is known as Toglu Kombietta. In fact, large size puppets were made for kings, and religious character, and smaller size for common people or servants. So which one, that is Toglu Kombietta, and its shadow puppets is famous in Karnataka. Then given here Andhra Pradesh, Tolu Bomalatta is the colorful shadow theatre of Andhra Pradesh and has the finest and greatest tradition. These puppets are quite huge with joint waist, shoulders, elbows and knees. These puppets are colorful on both sides. The theme of the puppet plays are drawn from the Ramayana, Mahabharata and Puranas. पुराण्स। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो ढोलू बोमलट्टा का जो मेन थीम है वो किससे लिया गया है? रामायण, महाभारत और पुराण से लिया गया है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट रॉड पपेट्स। रॉड पपेट्स आर मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लो पपेट्स। ग्लो puppets, they are of enormous size, they are held by rod from below। रॉड से जो जिस कठपुतली को बनाया गया हो, रॉड पपेट्स। दिस फॉर्म ऑफ पपेट्री विल सर्वाइव्स इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड ओडिशा। वेस्ट बंगाल रॉड पपेट्स नेम इज पुटुल नच। पुटुल नच, that is Putul Nach, that is famous in West Bengal. So the traditional rod puppet of West Bengal is known as Putul Nach. So Putul Nach is famous in West Bengal. They are made of wood and their styles. They are look-like of the Jatra actors. The puppeteers stand behind a head-high curtain and manipulate the rods. The puppeteers move and dance to give such grace to the puppets. They also sing and deliver prose, dialogues and music to the theatre, accompanied by a drum, harmonium and cymbals. So it is Putul Nach, famous in West Bengal. And next, Bihar, Yampuri. Bihar's rod puppets is known as Yampuri. The traditional rod puppets of Bihar is popularly known as Yampuri. These puppets are made of wood. These puppets are in one piece and have no joints. The puppeteers control it differently. Next, after number 4, given here, glow puppets. Glow puppets are like limb dolls. Limb doll means लंगड़ाहट के रूप में, या ये कह सकते हैं लंगड़ाते हुए डॉल। पॉपुलरली नॉन एज स्लीव, हैंड और palm puppets. The head is made of papier, match or cloth or wood, and 2 hands emerge from just below the neck. They wear long flowing skirt. The puppeteers skillfully manipulate these puppets. This form of puppetry is common in Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal and Kerala. In Uttar Pradesh, puppeteers depict social themes through these puppets. Radha and Krishna episodes are presented in Odisha by these puppets. It means glow puppets, where puppeteers with one hand manipulate the puppet, which is synchronized with the rhythm of dholak played by the other hand. In Kerala, Pavakutu is the traditional glow puppet play of Kerala. The head and the arms are made of wood. They are tied together with thick cloth, cut and stitched into a small bag. The puppeteers manipulates the puppet. Many musical instruments, including conch means shank, accompany the glow puppet plays. It is greatly influenced by Kathakali. The episodes from the Ramayana or the Mahabharata are also portrayed through the glow puppets. Glow puppets, it means दस्ताने की कठपुतलियाँ। दस्ताने की कठपुतलियाँ लंगड़ी गुड़िया की तरह होती हैं, जिन्हें आस्तीन, हाथ या हथेली की कठपुतलियों के रूप में जाना जाता है। सिर पेपियर, माची या कपड़े या लकड़ी से बना है और गर्दन के ठीक नीचे से 2 हाथ निकलते हैं। वे लंबी बहने वाली स्कर्ट पहनते हैं। कठपुतलियों ने कुशलता से इन कठपुतलियों में हेरफेर किया और कठपुतलियों का यह रूप उत्तर प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, पश्चिम बंगाल, केरल में आम है, अर्थात प्रचलित हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश में कठपुतलियाँ इन कठपुतलियों के माध्यम से सामाजिक विषयों का चित्रण करती हैं। उड़ीसा में राधा और कृष्ण के एपिसोड प्रस्तुत किए जाते हैं किनसे, है ना, यही अर्थात ग्लो पपेट से। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ केरल का दिया है पावाकुटू एंड पावाकुटी कुटु केरल का पारंपरिक दस्ताना कठपुतली नाटक है। सिर और हाथ लकड़ी से बने होते हैं। उन्हें मोटे कपड़े से एक साथ बांधा जाता है और एक छोटे बैग में रखा जाता है। कठपुतली में हेर फेर करती है। संघ सहित कई संगीत वाद्य यंत्र के साथ साथ दस्ताने की कठपुतली नाटकों में टी कथकली से काफ़ी प्रभावित हैं। रामायण और महाभारत क्या लिखा है? द एपिसोड्स फ्रॉम द रामायण और द महाभारत आर आल्सो पोर्ट्रेट थ्रू द ग्लो पपेट्स। जो पहले महाभारत और रामायण का जो कथक एक ड्रामे के रूप में प्रस्तुत किया जाता था, वह यही ग्लो पपेट्स के माध्यम से जो है शो करते थे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो रीड अबाउट इट एंड क्रिएट वन लाइन क्वेश्चन आंसर अबाउट दिस जीके एंड next video I will send you on others chapters. Okay.